Welcome to another update video about Bitcoin, only a quick middle of the day update. By the way, anybody who wants a longer video about the different scenarios, check out the last video that I made yesterday. It included also a higher time frame point of view. So here we are now coming back in this three-wave move that I already indicated is likely to occur. We now need to make sure, well, we can't make sure, the bulls need to make sure that this doesn't turn into a five-wave move to the downside. That would be, frankly speaking, quite bad. So ideally, this pullback is now holding the support level that I indicated in the previous video. Yeah, so at the moment, this pullback is no surprise. We talked about 5 waves up. We talked about a 3-wave correction most likely to occur. But it should ideally hold the 78.6 retracement at 27,563. So it is currently retesting the corrective price channel's upper boundary line. If it can hold that, that's fine. It doesn't need to come into the orange box, but this is the relevant fib support for a wave 2. So again, I'm getting a bit concerned about the quantity of these 1-2 setups. Yeah. So we have so many on this chart now. We have this larger 1-2 setup that bottomed on the 10th of March. We have possible additional 1-2 setup here, which bottomed middle of March. We have another 1-2 setup, which possibly bottomed on the 28th of March. Then we have another 1-2 setup, which bottomed here on the 3rd of April. And now possibly another 1-2 setup. So a breakout is overdue. It doesn't mean a breakout needs to happen, but it means a breakout is overdue. It's highly likely, and the bulls need to do it. If they don't finally do it, we will break down. Yeah, because again, as I said, the chart has everything prepared for them to do it and for them to rally in a third wave and yeah, either to go into an extended bear market rally or possibly even a bull run. But of course, these relevant support levels need to hold. Now, if this 27,560 level, which is the support area that I indicated earlier today, if that breaks, okay, not too much of a problem. But the issue that I have with that is if we break below that level, there is a good chance that we are also breaking below the larger support area, yeah, 27,060. Because I did talk about that yesterday. If the due to the fact that this Y wave low of the wave 2, which was yesterday, was so close to the 78.6 retracement, below which obviously these setups become very unlikely. It was so close to that one more low might take it out, the low, yeah. Not the low, the support level, and then we would drop into the larger box, 24,940. So, well, my tactic here, or my tactics are, again, you know, if it comes back, I would say, into this area, the larger support, then I will add a bit. If not, then I'm just gonna hold what I already have anyway. Yeah, I entered on the 10th of March, took some partial profits somewhere here, and would just buy that back if we get back into the region. If not, that's fine as well. I still haven't touched my altcoins that I bought on the 10th of March. Just from a tactical point of view, what I'm doing. This is just a terribly boring up and down here. We had another 5-wave up, and this really needs to move now. Yeah, because when you have too many 1-2 setups in a chart, it becomes unrealistic. It becomes basically too bullish to a degree that it's not realistic anymore, and then it can easily, it's a bit like a house of cards which then breaks down. It's like a supercharged chart. It's all prepared, but the bulls still need to make the move. Yeah, the bulls need to, that was the dog, by the way. The bulls need to make that move now. Now if they make it, I mean, I can't decide that. Ideally they do, but what I just want to emphasize here is the 27,560 level is relevant. Above that, obviously, we've got support at 28,016 and 27,830, and then 27,560. Below that, we have 27,060, and as long as that is holding, I am preferring the direct breakout scenario, regardless of if we break here the 27,560 level. That's not so relevant, but ideally, we should hold the 27,060 level. If we lose that, then we're probably going to come into this larger box between 24,940 and 26,270. But yeah, at the moment, just a 3-wave pullback, not too much of a problem. if we could label this as an ABC structure, and let's look at the fib extensions. I mean, ideally this does not go longer than the 1.618 extension. I think it has done that already. So yeah, this move down has now extended to the, okay, 1.786, not too much of a problem, but ideally it's turning around now. If it doesn't, it's going a bit too long. It will then, might then not be a C wave, right? Because I can count this as a wave A, a wave B, and a C wave. But this is again just the micro counting. Sometimes you see distortions. Best to be aware of this pivot here. And yeah, you should be aware of the support areas now, the relevant ones, what does need to hold, you know, and so on. And then ideally for a breakout confirmation, we are rallying above 29,250. All right, not much more to add. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.